Hello, welcome on my channel. In the last video I completed the assembly of Lamborghini car. Now I stuck stickers. Almost all. I did my best, but I was not able to find out where to stick a few stickers. But on the other hand, the car still looks good. And maybe they are the bonus stickers. Who knows? Now we look on remote control part. At first I have to say that the paper tutorial content mixed pictures is not describe logically process of disassembly and assembly of the model, and it's not possible to follow the process of installation step by step. You can use it partially, but you have to use intuition. Look, both engines hold good and works perfectly. Only battery could be secure in the car better, but it's still fine. Although paper tutorial is not perfect, you will enjoy a lot of fun with this car. Let's try to test it. It's pity, but I haven't filmed this fall. The car fell from about 1.5 meters on the floor, bounced and landed on child's chair. Okay, in next video I will show you what is left of the car and whether it can still be saved, which parts are broken. Thank you very much for watching, click on subscribe, thank you.